square root test. This test is based on the fact that if h square congruent to 1 mod n, then h has only two values. H can be plus 1 or minus 1. If n is prime and n square congruent to 1 mod n, only for two values, plus 1 and minus 1. If this congruence holds for more than two values, then that number n is a composite number. So n is prime, the congruence n square congruent to 1 mod n hold only for two values, plus 1 and minus 1. Otherwise n is composite. Let us check for n equal to 17. We know the 17 is prime. Let us check what is the result obtained by square root test. We have to consider the set of integers 1, 2, 3 up to 16. Let us check what is 1 square mod 17. It is equal to 1. 2 square mod 17 is equal to 4. And 3 square mod 17 is equal to 9. So we have calculated all the values from 1 to 16. We can see 1 square mod 17, it is 1, and we are getting 16 square mod 17 also equal to 1. Okay, 2 times you are getting. If you write h square, that is congruent to 1 mod 17, then we are getting only two values. So we know 16 in modular 17 system, it is equal to minus 1. That is minus 1 congruent to 16 mod 17. We are getting x equal to plus 1 or minus 1, only two values. So the square root test says 17 is prime. Let us check another value. Let n equal to 8. So we have to consider the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 1 square mod 8 equal to 1. 2 square mod 8 equal to 4. 3 square mod 8 equal to 1. Here we can see 1 square mod 8 equal to 1, then 3 square mod equal to 1, then 5 square mod 8 equal to 1, and 7 square mod 8 equal to 1. More than two values. Our congruence is x square congruent to 1 mod n. X is getting more than two values here. So this number n, that is 8, is not prime. Square root test says it is not prime. Let n equal to 6. We have to consider the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 square more 6 equal to 1. 2 square more 6 equal to 4. Okay, 1 square more 6 equal to 1. Okay, here we have a 1. 5 square more 6, here another 1. So only 2. That is x square congruent to 1 mod n. X is getting 2 values. That is 1 and minus 1. We know in modular 6 system 5 is equal to minus 1. So this test says 6 is prime. Square root test says 6 is prime. For certain values this test fails.